In this video, we will be talking about clove, the science, 5 benefits for hair and scalp, how to use clove, 3 ways to use gloves, DIY glove oil infusion, how often plus safety, mistakes, and who should not use cloves. Hi my queens, welcome back to the Growth Garden. If you are new here, I am Annie, a medical student, and on this channel we talk hair science and also dissect a whole lot of natural ingredients. And if you want to keep on seeing videos like this, then make sure you subscribe and join the family. And if this is what you will want to watch, then make sure you keep on watching. This little spice is antifungal, antibacterial, and a growth stimulant, but it is potent. Use it wrong and you will irritate your scalp. So without any further ado, let's dive into the science of cloves. Clove comes from the flower bud of the clove tree. The reason dermatologists study it is because of one compound. The compound is called Eugenol. Eugenol makes up 70 to 85% of cloves. It is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antifungal, and also a mild anesthetic. That is why dentists also use it to numb gums before procedures. A 2017 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that Eugenol has antifungal activity against dandruff-causing fungus. It also increases blood circulation to the scalp. More circulation means more nutrients to your follicles. And also cloves is antioxidant. It protects follicles from free radical damage that causes shedding. Time to talk 5 benefits of cloves for hair and scalp. Benefit number 1, it kills dandruff and fungus. This is number 1 because if your dandruff won't go away with regular shampoo, clove can help. Eugenol kills malassezia fungus naturally. Benefit number 2, clove help detox scalp and it can remove buildup. Because clove is antibacterial, it cleans clogged follicles. It is great for a hair of high porosity that gets product buildup fast. Benefit number 3, clove stimulates hair growth. It increases blood flow to the scalp. Studies show it can help with thinning and slow growth. Benefit number 4, it strengthens hair and reduces shedding. Antioxidants protect the hair shaft, and less breakage means better length retention. It's number 5. Clove is a natural insect repellent because the smell repels lice and bugs. Therefore, it is good for kids going back to school. Now let me tell you 2 ways to use clove. Method 1, clove water spray, and this is for dandruff. Get your gloves, put it into a bottle that have a lid, then you add a cup of water and you allow it to sit for 2 days. After that, you sieve and you transfer into your spray bottle. You can add 3 drops of tea tree oil, but that is optional. And then you spray on scalp 2 times per week. No rinse, alright? 2 times per week, and you don't have to rinse it out. If you are very busy, then this is another way for you to make your clove water spray. This is the boiling method. You get your cloves, wash it, then you put it into a pot, add a cup of water, and then you boil for 30 minutes, right? After that, you take out the heat, allow it to cool, and then you sieve it. Then you transfer into your spray bottle. Method 2, clove oil infusion, and this is strictly for growth. You get your carrier oil, jojoba or grapeseed. But if you have a hair of high porosity, you can use castor oil or coconut oil. Then you get your cloves. Then you double boil everything on low heat for 2 hours. Make sure you do not burn it. Then you cool, strain and store it, and it can last for 3 months. Or you get a blender, then you add your carrier oil, and your carrier oil depends on your hair type. For a hair of high porosity, you go with coconut or olive oil, and for a hair of low porosity, you can use jojoba oil. Alright, you can also use castor oil for a hair of high porosity. Then you add your cloves into the oil, and then you blend everything together. To use the oil, warm 1 tablespoon, alright, then you massage scalp 10 minutes with it, then you leave it for 30 to 45 minutes, then you wash it out, and make sure you use it 1 time per week maximum. It shouldn't be more than once, alright, because it is very potent. For the spray, you can use it twice a week, but for the oil, 1 time a week. Alright, and make sure you carry out a patch test. This is very mandatory. Eugenol is very strong. It is potent, so you carry out a patch test for 24 hours first. And also, never use clove essential oil directly. Always dilute it. 1 to 2 drops per tablespoon of carrier oil. It's time to talk about mistakes and who should not use it. This is very important, so please pay attention. Mistake number 1: using too much cloves. Listen, my queens, more cloves doesn't mean faster results. It will burn your scalp. It will burn it. Mistake number 2: leaving it overnight. 30 to 45 minutes is enough, alright? And that is maximum for an oil infusion. Why? Because clove is very strong. Mistake number 3: using clove on a sensitive scalp. If you have eczema, psoriasis, or open cuts, skip it. Do not use. And lastly, cloves if you have a hair of low porosity. Why? Because it can be too heavy and irritating, so you can actually skip it. Do not use it. Now, cloves is best for a hair of high porosity. It is best for dandruff. It is best for scalp buildup. It is best for thinning. Cloves is good for a hair of medium porosity, but you should use that once per month. If you have a hair of low porosity and a sensitive scalp, stay away from cloves. Here is the truth. Cloves is antifungal and a detox treatment for a hair of high porosity. It is not for daily use. It is for scalp reset. That's a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. What are your thoughts? You can leave them for me in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, alright, and join the family. Until next time, my queens, do not forget to water your hair as always. May your hair be luscious and may your scalp be happy. If you have been watching my videos, I always say that your hair is not important for survival. Your hair is not important for survival. Therefore, whenever you are deficient of nutrients, your body will prioritize vital organs and your hair will suffer. That is why you need to feed properly and you need to hydrate properly.